You like it, huh?
This is awesome.
Bro, try the chicken. I think you'd really like it.
Wow. This is good shit. This is better than how Mom did it. How'd you manage this?
I don't know, I just made it.
I thought we had like a poultry shortage or something.
I figured it out.
Well, I'm stuffed.
Bro, you barely touched it.
We shouldn't have made so much. You know I can't finish all this by myself.
We're sorry. Your call cannot be...
Who are you texting?
Oh, just my boyfriend Chaz. He's not answering. Such a dick.
How are you two doing?
You know, just the usual ups and downs of a relationship. This food. Tell me how you made it.
Dude, you know me. I literally can't cook for shit. Like, gun to my head, I couldn't do it. But I was at the grocery store the other day, and I was just like picking out all these ingredients. And then I got home, put it all in the fridge, went away for like an hour. And then I was like, I want a beer. I opened the fridge.
Yeah.
And a full course meal comes out. Fully made. A full course meal came out of the fridge. Like, ready to devour.
That you made?
Dude, no, I don't know. The fridge made it or something.
Oh. You know, that's a pretty good joke, but you gotta work on your setup. You know, you'll get there one day, sis.
You're dumb. You're stupid. So, can we talk about Chaz?
You wanna talk about that black eye?
I fell! You know me, I'm fucking clumsy.
Yeah, I know you're clumsy. I also know the stairs don't punch you back.
Dude, you're stupid. Stop.
You're so dumb.
I know that Chaz abuses you.
Fuck you.
I don't abuse you. Chaz abuses you. I'm trying to protect you. What? Oh my God, what are you, Billy, what are you doing?
You know, I was really happy when I found out you started dating again. I hate what it's doing to you now.
Where are you going?
To find Chaz.
You're not gonna find him. I swear to God you won't find him.
You had to get involved, didn't you? Where is he? Katie, you know where he is, just tell me. I'm serious, where's Chaz? Tell me. It's not fucking
You're
funny.
fucking stupid.
It's not funny.
You're dumb.
He's missing. I don't know where he is.
Sit down.
This is serious.
Eat with me. I love you. I've missed you. He's okay. Thank you. I really have missed you.
I missed you too.
I love you.
I love you too. Katie?
What the?